In the last session, we have already seen that the iterator. So iterator is nothing but it is a container which is holding any kinds of the value, any data type or the hybrid data types also it can contain. It means that at the same time, it has the capacity to process the integer values, character values, or the string values. Okay, any kind of data we can able to process with the help of that. So in the today's session, we are going to consider the collection. So collection is also one kind of the container classes. It is a general interface for any type that can store multiple. Okay, for any type that can store multiple values. It is a general interface for any type that can store multiple values. Any object C that implements any collections has three methods. So basically, we have to implement this collection interface. It means that let us say my class name is class ABC. Then at that time, I have to write class ABC implements collections. Okay, and then class ABC implements collections. And let us say that ABC is nothing but the object of class C, which is defined as ABC gap C is equal to new ABC. So C dot add is the method to add the content within this collection. Again, the kind of data or the data type of the data could be integer, string, character, or it could be floating point values. Okay, we can able to add any kinds of the information, any kinds of the information can be removed from that container. That is nothing but add, remove, and size. Size is nothing but it is returning the size of the collection containers. Okay, so how much data is available, how much record is available within that container is shown by size. Okay, so this is regarding the collections. Okay, so interface that are derived from collections basically it has two parts. Add, remove we have already seen. So these are nothing but the functions add, remove, and size. But it's again segregated into two parts. The first one is a set, which is an unordered, can't add the same object twice. It is unordered. It means that there is no sequencing of values. And if you are using the list, there is a sequencing is available. Okay, so get and set methods are the methods through which I can traverse through those particular list. Okay, get I, if I am saying this get I, get the ith element, and then set I e, set the ith element to e. Okay, it means that set that particular value to e. Okay, so it means that whatever is the value which is at the ith location, that could be superimposed or that could be suppressed by. Okay. Also in the standard library, many good implementations of these interfaces. So basically, in case of list, it is again subdivided into subparts. Okay. We had seen the iterator. Iterator is also the container. Collection is also the container. Collection is divided into two parts, sets and list. Okay. So sets and list, we can, with the help of this, with the help of get and set method, I can able to get the value within the container, or I can able to set any values within a container. Okay. Similarly, array list, stack, and linked list are the part of the list. It means that there is a chaining of information. So whatever is the array list, it is nothing but a sequential data structure we can say. And sets is nothing but hash set and tree sets. Each implementation has some differences suitable for particular problems. Okay, different types restrictions itself. Okay, if you are considering this a class to represent a pair xy values, both values represented with double like this. This dot x is nothing but, so this is nothing but, this is basically, it is nothing but pointing to the current. Okay, pointing to the value. So double xy. So this xy, it is nothing but pointing to this xy. Sorry, this x. Sorry, this x and this y. This double. Okay, but this x is pointing here and this y is pointing here. Okay, this dot y. This is nothing but pointing to the current, and these are the values obtained from other end or obtained from other locations. Okay, so I think this much is sufficient for the today's session. Okay.